This little bike is a Firestorm by Dynacraft. You can see it has a dope little pad on the handlebar that says Firestorm. Has both caliper brakes, 18-inch wheels. Wheels are painted to match the frame. Just a little single speed 18-inch wheel bike. I ended up having to put a new chain on this. I had to put a new rear brake cable and housing and adjust the brake, and I kind of had to check the whole bike over. Also had to install a new brake lever because theirs had broken off. So new brake lever, new cable and housing, and adjust the brake, new chain, check the bike over. Great little one. Check it out.